Okay, so Daniel, please, can you please introduce yourself and just very small in brief about your company?
Hi, I'm Daniel Feller. I'm the owner and general manager of Dishtec. We are a commercial kitchen repairs maintenance company in Sydney, Australia. We have a team of 20 technicians and we service and repair cafes, restaurants, hotels, aged cares, airports, anywhere like that.
Okay, thank you. So, can you please tell you how did you find Cloud and Logi team? Like any reference from where just you find us and like we are working for you right now.
Okay, so I started this project with a previous developer, and that didn't go too well, and I started looking around for another developers, and I was looking specifically for a company that had good experience with Field Service Lightning. I later sort of found out from my previous developers that they hadn't had much experience with that particular product, as it is fairly new to Salesforce. So I actually found a YouTube video from you guys at Cloud Analogy, and I was very impressed by what you guys had put together. And then I later went onto your website and was sort of confirmed all that, and I got in touch, and that's how it all got started.
Okay, that's great. So how satisfied you are, and what are the good things you found in our team? What are our specialties or expertise? Can you please?
Yeah, so as I said, the previous company that I dealt with obviously wasn't very experienced in the Field Service Lightning, and so just from my initial talks with your representatives here, I could understand that a lot of the things that weren't possible or I didn't think were possible were actually possible, and so that was really good.
Okay, and at the last but not the least, why would you recommend us? Why would you recommend Cloud and Logi to your friends or some other colleagues in your?
Yeah, sure. Well, firstly, they listened and understood my requirements that I had, and they provided excellent advice. The communication that I had was amazing. I've been in contact directly with your developers, and all my emails, any questions I have, always get responded to within sort of 24 hours. And a lot of the work that I request to be done is done often within 24 hours. So there's just a really fast progress happening there. With my previous developers, it was like a once a week call that I was having for about an hour, and things just weren't progressing. So the communication was huge. The openness, I really like the fact that you give and you detail all the work that you've done, sort of hour by hour. It shows me exactly what's going on, and not just getting a big bill at the end or at the start. So that's really good. The cost overall been very reasonably with cost. I don't think I would have been able to get this project done, all the work that's been done with another company. So I'm very thankful for that. It did take a little longer than I expected still, but there was the Field Service Lightning didn't have as many features set up, so there was a lot more customization than I expected. But at the end, I've got a really good product, and I'm really happy with it. And I couldn't have done it without you guys.
Okay, that's great. So thanks for your precious feedback.
Yeah, not a problem.
Bye, Daniel. Have a good day.
See ya.
Thank you.
Thank you.